Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Friday, November 29th, 2024. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. I'm on my way to the soap shop to pack up some orders, to do a couple Black Friday things, and then get ready for tomorrow's Small Business Saturday. So I thought I'd shoot a video. Tina's out running some other errands this morning, and so yeah, I just wanted to make a video and talk to you about a few different things. One is I have two direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of. They're solid companies, okay? These are for people who reside in the United States, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands. So if you live in one of those three places, then you can partake in these opportunities. But these are as simple as mailing out postcards, okay? You get these postcards and you can mail these out. And if you can mail out postcards, you can make this opportunity work. What you get is you get marketing kits when you join. You get postcards, you get everything you need to get started, and the main product of these two businesses is leads, okay? So leads is a billion-dollar industry. With these leads, you can use them to, you can sell anything to them, preferably in the make money online, work from home industries, because these are opportunity-seeking leads, people that are looking to replace or supplement their incomes. You can even resell these leads if you want to. All right, so these are two direct mail companies. They work very well. They're high converting. They've been around. One of them has been around since 2003. The other one's been around for a handful of years. The owners are very transparent, and they're just legit opportunities that are very easy to do, okay? Again, if you can mail out a postcard, then you can make these work. And when you join me, I give you a resource page with over 80 different places that you can advertise online. 99% of those are free. And that's it. I do a hybrid marketing method of online and offline. So I will show you exactly what I do. I mail out not only postcards, but I mail out letters with personalized messages for me in them, and then all three of the opportunities that I'm in. So aside from the direct mail opportunities, I am also part of a global opportunity, a network marketing company that's been around for quite some time now. It is owned and run by two brothers who have been in the network marketing space for over 30 plus years. And it's a great opportunity. Not only do you save money on things that you're already buying, but you can make money by sharing the opportunity with other people. And right now, they currently have a special where you can join for 50% off. It's a Black Friday special, okay? I don't know how much longer they're gonna have this go on, but I know it's still going on right now. So if you go to joinruss.com, I'll show you one of my business cards here. Okay, this is what it looks like, joinruss.com. You can go and check out these opportunities, okay? Now, when you get to the global opportunity and you sign up as a free member, join as a free member first, and then once you're inside your back office, there'll be a button there where you can upgrade to a premium member, and instead of paying the $49.95, you can join for $24.95, and then it's only $9.95 a month thereafter to run a global business, okay? So all three opportunities are great. I'm excited about them. These are what I'm going to be promoting in 2025. I also have I'm working on a new marketing system that will be run on the Leads Leap platform. And I'm thinking about how most likely when you join me in one of these opportunities, you're going to get the share code so that you can use the same exact system that I'm using and follow exact step-by-step on what I'm doing to build a mailbox money empire. All right, so that's in the works. I don't know when that's going to be completed. I'm hoping that everything will be done probably by the first of the year or sometime within January of 2025. But this is going to be a complete funnel system. It's going to have a capture page, a landing page. It's going to have email follow-up series, and you'll be able to run it off of Leads Leap. I've been with Leads Leap for many, many years now, and it just continues to be just a really great platform. All right, especially when you're building capture pages and funnels and stuff like that. So That's something that I'm working on, and I'm working with other people to set this up so that it looks professional and it's done the right way. So hopefully within the next month or two, that will be ready to go. And there's just a lot of cool things that I'm working on as far as direct mail goes and mailbox money opportunities. So with that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.